I'm back, right, here to show you a bit more about charts. Right, basically, every trader in the world, they'll have an exchange account. So basically, I showed you, I do my trading with Bybit. But Bybit says you have to deposit Bitcoin, obviously, to trade. That's what you trade with, and then you can buy contracts with the actual coins in it. And obviously, to buy the coins, you got Coinbase. But every trader in the world, doesn't matter what they trade, they all use TradingView, and that's this here. And basically, it's just a website with charts basically. But these charts, they're a bit more like in detail. You can fuck about with them. You can use indicators. It's like proper like Adobe. Where you've got the full chart open, and they have live prices. Live prices. TradingView always shows you live exactly what it is to the point. Updates it every second. Where you can fully open it up and what's it called? Fully fuck about with the chart. Now, basically, what I'm trying to say to you is, this is, by the way, this is the Bitcoin chart, and this is the 45-minute. And like I said to you, there's the thingy you can change it, to what you want each candle to represent, and the 45-minute. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Can you see the lines? There's the blue line, the green line, the red line, and the purple line. Now, basically, one thing that every trader agrees is that when the candles are above the purple line, you're in a bull run, which means it's fucking rocketing. Like, look here, I'll show you now. Look, if you go back to yesterday, like day before yesterday, yeah, okay, the price was down. Yeah, it was like just like level pegging. But as soon as it went above, one second, you can't really tell here, but as soon as it went above the purple line, it went fucking parabolic. Yeah? So from there all the way up, they went parabolic. It was above the purple line. Do you get it? And not just that, look at the RSI as well, there as well. Even down here, the RSI is relatively the same, but you know what it is like? That's a good indicator at the bottom, right? That orange line at the bottom, that's a good indicator as well. Because generally, when that's really low, eh? It means relative stock index, but normally these lines they matched. So basically, can you see there? It means okay. It stands for relative strength index, yeah. But basically, what that orange line represents is how much demand there is at that time. Do you get it? Like how many people are buying overall. You know what I mean. So basically, when that line, the orange line, is quite low, it means that it's oversold in it. And when that orange line is above, like, can you see there? The orange line is way above, way above. Can you see the green line there? The green line just, sorry, one second. The green line just went up, rocketed, yeah, above. Can you see the RSI, the orange line at the bottom? So on the chart, you can see the Bitcoin is just gone up rapid from 7 grand to 7.5 grand on the chart there at that time, 12:15 on the 23rd. And basically the orange line, it represents how oversold something is, in it. So basically there it's well oversold, well oversold. So at this point here, any of this time here where it was well above, I'd be like, right, this shit is well oversold. Yeah, this is why the orange line's good. Because watch what happens right after. One second, let me move it over. Look at that. You can start betting on it to come down from here. And watch it. It fucking goes right the way, slowly down to there. To there, you could have gambled on it there, but it wouldn't have gone much down. But anyways, then from here, I think I put money on. Where did I put money on? I put money on here. So it started rising up here. It started rising. Where does it start rising up? No, it doesn't. It goes down. One second. Oh, here it is. Here it is. The other day, so it was quite level pegging for a while, and then all of a sudden, I think this was the other day, that the night before. Do you remember? I woke up in the morning and I was like, yeah, I was trading. So basically, the night before, it was going like this. By morning, it was like that. So, and I was like, whoa, shit, I missed out. I could have betted on it to go up. Do you know what I mean? And then I thought, fuck it, I'll put it on now. And then next minute you know, it went boom! Right the way to 8,144 on the chart. And then it went to 8,400. I was like, whoa! Yeah, and then then it went to 8,700. And then it went to fucking 8,900. And then when it went to 8,000, I think it was at 8,600 there. That's where I cashed out there. But if I carried on going, I would have got greedy. But I knew it was going to 9,000 because that's what most of the traders were agreeing on at the time. That if it does break out, which it did, like we knew, like well back down here. Wait, hold on. Let me tell you where we sit. Right. We knew it. Hold on, arrow. Let's do an arrow. Okay. Okay. So we knew it well back over, done it well back over down there. Can you see it down there, like down there? That's it. It's going up, especially over here. Like I don't know if you can see over there. We knew well that it was like going like rapid high anyway. But whoops, the arrow's gone the wrong way. 1 second, let me fix the arrow. So sorry, there's the arrow. So at this point here, like say there, you know right away that it's gone parabolic, you know what I'm saying? So if you were to bet on it to go up and cash out, hopefully, because everyone said as soon as it breaks out from there, so it did break out, it braked out there, everyone knew it was going up. And then basically they were all saying that if it does go up like this, it'll probably reach 9,000. I didn't want to gamble it. I knew that, you know what if it doesn't reach 9,000 and it starts plummeting at fucking 8.6 here? I thought, fuck it, I cashed out here. So anyways, but the point is look what's happened since. It went to 9,000. It went to 9,400. I missed out on all of that, but fuck all of that anyways. Minor, because look what happened right after 9,400. It went boom right the way down to 8,600. But if you betted on it to come down, you would have made silly dough as well. But can you see how it's gone as soon as it went below the purple line? If you were to bet on it as soon as it went down the purple line, so say here, where's it gone? Actually, now fuck this. Let me pause it now because I think it's too long, the video. 1 second.